19 to 1010 Agricultural and Food Scientists Artificial Intel Pros and Cons, a career guide navigated by Brian Ross and ChatGPT. AI. Statement: AI can help agricultural and food scientists analyze research data, study crop and soil patterns, review food safety results, model production outcomes, improve quality control, and support scientific reporting. AI may speed up data analysis, research comparisons, forecasting, lab documentation, and technical reports. Human scientists are still needed for research judgment, experiment design, field knowledge, food safety decisions, ethical review, and practical interpretation of results. Pros: strong science career connected to food, farming, public health, sustainability, and research. Supports important work such as food safety, crop improvement, soil health, nutrition, and agricultural productivity. Builds transferable skills in research, data analysis, laboratory work, technical writing, and problem solving. Can lead to roles in government, universities, food companies, agriculture companies, laboratories, or environmental organizations. Good fit for people who enjoy science with real-world impact. Offers opportunities to specialize in soil science, animal science, plant science, food science, or agricultural research. Cons: may require advanced education for higher-level research or leadership roles. Work can involve detailed data, long research timelines, fieldwork, lab procedures, and technical reporting. Some roles may include outdoor conditions, travel to farms or production sites, or seasonal project demands. Research results may take time to show practical impact. Accuracy is important because findings can affect food safety, production, health, and business decisions. Grant funding, regulations, and industry demands can shape available opportunities. Bottom line: agricultural and food scientists are best suited for people who are science-minded, detail-oriented, curious, and interested in improving food systems, agriculture, safety, and production. This role is a strong fit for someone who enjoys research, data, biology, chemistry, food, plants, animals, or environmental systems. Accountants: many people enter this field by earning a bachelor's degree in agricultural science, food science, biology, chemistry, animal science, plant science, soil science, environmental science, or a related field. Advanced research roles may require a master's degree or Ph.D. Helpful preparation includes lab experience, field research, data analysis, statistics, technical writing, internships, and knowledge of food safety or agricultural systems. In interviews, candidates should discuss research projects, lab or field experience, problem solving, scientific accuracy, teamwork, and interest in improving food or agricultural outcomes. SOC description: agricultural and food scientists study crops, soil, animals, food products, production systems, and safety standards. They use science to improve food quality, increase agricultural productivity, protect public health, support sustainability, and solve problems in farming and food production. Common duties: conduct research on food, crops, soil, animals, or agricultural systems, collect and analyze scientific data, study ways to improve food safety, nutrition, quality, or production, develop or test new food products, farming methods, or agricultural processes, prepare reports, research findings, technical documents, or recommendations, work with farmers, food companies, laboratories, government agencies, or research teams, design experiments and review results, monitor compliance with food safety or agricultural standards, study environmental, biological, chemical, or production-related factors, present findings to managers, scientists, policymakers, or industry partners. Core skills: scientific research, data analysis, biology and chemistry knowledge, food science or agricultural science knowledge, technical writing, laboratory procedures, field research, critical thinking, statistics and measurement, problem solving, quality and safety awareness, project planning, communication, observation skills, computer and research software use. Qualifications: bachelor's degree in agricultural science, food science, biology, chemistry, soil science, plant science, animal science, environmental science, or a related field is common. Master's degree or Ph.D. may be needed for advanced research, university, leadership, or specialized scientific roles. Lab experience, field research, internships, or agricultural work experience can help. Knowledge of food safety, quality control, statistics, data analysis, and scientific methods is valuable. Some roles may prefer experience with research software, laboratory instruments, or regulatory standards. Technical writing and presentation skills are often important. Certifications related to food safety, quality assurance, or specialized agricultural practice may strengthen a candidate. Characteristic traits: curious, detail-oriented, analytical, patient, science-minded, observant, ethical, accurate, research-focused, practical, organized, problem-solving oriented, team-oriented, quality-focused, environmentally aware. Resume template: your name, city, state, phone number, email address. Professional summary: agricultural and food science candidate with strong interest in research, food safety, agricultural systems, laboratory work, data analysis, and scientific problem solving. Skilled in collecting information, reviewing results, following research procedures, and supporting practical improvements in food quality, farming, production, or sustainability. Core skills: agricultural science, food science, scientific research, data collection and analysis, laboratory procedures, field research, biology/chemistry knowledge, food safety awareness, quality control, technical documentation, statistics/measurement, research support, problem solving, team communication. Work experience: job title, company name, city, state, dates, supported research, laboratory, agricultural, food safety, or quality control projects. Collected, organized, and reviewed scientific data, samples, observations, or test results. Followed research procedures, safety standards, and documentation requirements. Assisted with testing food, soil, plants, animals, products, or production processes. Prepared reports, charts, notes, or summaries to support scientific or operational decisions. Communicated findings and updates with supervisors, scientists, technicians, or team members. Project/internship/academic experience: organization/school name, city, state, dates, participated in agricultural, food science, biology, chemistry, or environmental research. Used lab tools, field methods, spreadsheets, or software to collect and analyze information. Reviewed results and helped identify patterns, problems, or improvement opportunities. Worked with a team to complete research tasks accurately and on schedule. Education/certifications: degree in agricultural science, food science, biology, chemistry, or related field. School name, year optional. Food safety certification, HACCP training, lab safety training, quality assurance training, soil science coursework, plant science coursework, animal science coursework, research methods/statistics coursework, internship or field research experience. Cover letter template: dear hiring manager, I am writing to express my interest in the agricultural and food scientist position. I bring a strong interest in food safety, agricultural systems, research, data analysis, and practical scientific problem solving. I am motivated by work that supports better food quality, safer production, stronger agriculture, and meaningful public or environmental impact. My background has helped me develop skills in research, organization, documentation, observation, and scientific thinking. I understand the importance of accurate data, careful procedures, and clear communication when making decisions that affect food, farming, production, or safety. I would welcome the opportunity to contribute to your organization by supporting research, testing, analysis, quality improvement, and technical reporting. I am dependable, detail-oriented, and committed to continuing my growth in agricultural and food science. Thank you for your time and consideration. I would appreciate the opportunity to discuss how my skills, education, and interest in this field can support your team. Sincerely, your name. Elevator pitch: I am interested in agricultural and food science because I like practical science that supports food safety, farming, quality, and real-world problem solving. I enjoy research, data, lab, or field work, and understanding how science can improve production and protect people. I bring attention to detail, curiosity, and a steady work ethic focused on accurate results.